Hi Ray, I've got a few issues on the live site, possibly related to the push. Can't say for sure, but if you could have a look, so I'll explain. Um, this plugin here, Crazy Egg, I can't delete it. If I click on delete, nothing will happen. So what I did was I went into FileZilla and deleted the files, the plugin files, and come back, clicking on delete, activate, nothing. It can't get rid of it. So I went into Terminal based on the document and had a look in plugins, and it's not in this list here when I look through via SSH. So it's not there, but it's here. If I go to, there's a few other issues. SiteGround Optimizer is turned on. I can purge the cache here. But if I click on purge cache here, I get this 0 type error. I've contacted SiteGround support. They weren't seeing this problem. It's also in Firefox. I'm on Chrome at the moment, so I don't know, it's on my machine. I went to add a new plugin. Even though I've done it, I was going to do it again. Crazy Egg, install it over the top. But I'm not seeing any results in the plugin manager here. If I just put in, Jetpack, and there's nothing in plugins. So, a bit mystified at the moment. If you could have a look, that would be fantastic. So I'll throw it over to you. And if you've got any questions as to what I did, please let me know. Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.